Hi, welcome to the Boxon tutorial for Rate Engine. We're going to go ahead and go through that now. Going over to customer rates. Okay, you'll notice a grid load here. Let me go ahead and close the menu. We'll go to options, add, and we're going to first select the type of shipment, which we'll select as air. Going over to service type, as you can see, we've got several here. We'll go ahead and select air, and we're going to select our service name. We'll go over to add multiple rate types. Now there's different types that you can select from here. For this example, we'll do volumetric weight. And then we'll go ahead and start off with a unit of 1 to 5. Our cost is going to be $100. Then we'll go ahead and from 6 to, we'll do from, let's say 6 to 10, we'll be charging $50. Go ahead and save that. Now we'll select the box rate. And we'll go from 1 to 20 boxes, we'll be charging $2,000. And then we'll go from, let's say, 21 to 100 boxes, we'll be charging $5,000. We'll go ahead and click off there. And as you can see, we have two different rate types, volumetric and box rate.